Okay, this is my new Matco toolbox. I upgraded from this. I work in a international dealership, and I'll just kind of show you what I got. On top, I got my magnet trays and a Bluetooth speaker, some containers I made in my welding class, my little truck, my Milwaukee charger left over from my lunch. I got this box where I've got headlamps and extra lights, safety glasses and rags and paperwork. These are my warranty tags, my lockout tag, my PM tags. These are my batteries and my lens cleaners. This is my knives, scissors, box cutters, battery tester terminals. These are my pens and pencils and markers. These are where I keep my broken tools I need to warranty. This is my personal drawer. I got my keys, pocket knife, wallet. This is kind of my PM drawer, just stuff that I just have left over. Filter wrenches, and this is for glad hands for whenever you can't get a truck. When a truck doesn't have air and you need to air it up. Thermometer gauge. This is kind of my supplies drawer, just leftover stuff from jobs. I got nothing in that drawer. I got my socket drawer, my ratchets and extensions. I got Carlisle impacts, 10 through 27 deep and shallow. I got Carlisle 12 points. These are actually Armstrong 12 points. And I got Armstrong 6 points. These are mostly Harbor Freight impacts. I'm missing a few here and there. Got Carlisle chromes. I'm missing the shallows for those. These are just Craftsman 12 points. Got my swivels, my torques, my ratchets, torque wrenches, extensions, different bits. It's a filter wrench. It's a filter strap that works really good too. And these are some more impacts. This is, chromes. And these are some bits from Harbor Freight. They're okay. I've broken a few. Harbor Freight, Craftsman, Snap-on, Matco, Cornwell, Carlisle. Here's my wrench drawer. Got all my big wrenches and stubbies, line wrenches, Carlisle wrenches, different angled wrenches, my pry bars, Allen keys, my lady slippers, some more line wrenches, and these are some gear wrenches. I use these to adjust brakes on these semi trucks. These are flex heads. My screwdriver pick drawer. I got these Max screwdrivers and scrapers, hose picks, panel remover tools, picks, precision screwdrivers, feeler gauges. These are long picks. It's my plier drawer. I got these. I literally love these hose clamp pliers. It worked really good for different stuff. It's my hammer and punches drawer, and I got my air hammer bits there. I still got more in my car that I need to bring in. This is kind of my electrical drawer. Got my multimeter and some ends and some wires and test light. It's a charger. It's a scanner. All I got in that drawer is my drill bits.
It's a pretty nice set. They're expensive, but lifetime warranty on every bit. My Mac guy said that just don't turn the tips blue, and if you do, just break them off to where I don't know, and I'll warranty it. It's my power tool drawer. Got my air hammer. This is a nitro cut. I really like this stubby impact. It's got lots of power. You know, I got this ratchet for free from a guy I work with. I just had to put a lever on it. Harbor Freight die grinders and cut-off wheels, they work great. They're really cheap, and they're kind of pricey, but I really love this Milwaukee set. They definitely work well, and I use them every day. These Cornwell air impacts work good too. I got some Craftsman bit sets, you know, Torx and Allen, E-Torx. These are the long, the deep, or the long they would be. And I just got some stud pullers and some more hammers and stuff and welding gloves. I haven't really had time to completely go through all of it. But yeah, it's my jerk straw or siphon tube. I love this box. I got creeper and knee pad and just other odds and ends that I need to transfer over. I need to get me a creeper holder to put this on my new box. You know, this was a good box. It's actually a Harbor Freight box. I just put the snap-on sticker on. It's done me really well. These drawers, they open really good. And this drawer is loaded down, and I mean, very, very solid. Very solid. And the keys, the locks on them are pretty good too. You know. Very smooth. Oh, that's it.